Listen and repeat.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Good night.
Good night.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
So long.
So long.
Hello.
Hi.
What are you?
I'm a student.
Goodbye.
So long.
Hello.
Good morning.
What are you?
I'm a teacher.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good evening.
Good evening.
What are you?
I'm a pilot.
Good night.
Good night.
Hello.
Good evening.
What are you?
I'm a pilot.
Good night.
Good night.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you?
I'm a barber.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
What's this?
That's a pencil.
What's this?
That's a book.
What's this?
That's a table.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Now you record the response. Talk to this man.
Hello. How are you? Goodbye.